And Braden River Rehab Center is now one of 4 businesses in Florida facing coronavirus-related fines from OSHA. The nursing home was hard hit with an outbreak early in the pandemic. 8 on your side, Manatee County Bureau reporter Allison Henning joins us live outside that facility. Allison, tell us more about how stiff these penalties are.
Well, Stacey, these penalties are something we are starting to see nationwide right now, specifically relating to COVID-19. So far, 85 companies across the country are facing similar violations. OSHA handed down the penalties to this Bradenton nursing home just earlier this month. Braden River Rehab Center owes more than $8,600 in fines after being cited by OSHA for 3 serious violations, all relating to COVID-19. Back in April, more than 50 people at this facility were COVID positive, including 26 staff members. 1 employee died.
I think we should all be very pleased that the Occupational Safety and Health Administration has pivoted its energy toward those high-risk locations, not just to protect the residents, which we're very concerned about, but to protect the employees who work there, which is really their job.
Associate Vice President of USF Health, Dr. Jay Wolfson, took a closer look at the violations, all of which are listed under a category called respiratory protection.
What did those 3 violations tell you?
They did not have a formal program. They were not using the right masks. They were not doing the mask fitting. They were not following up appropriately. So all the things that would have ensured that people were at least doing the basic thing to protect each other and the patients, they were not doing at all, or they weren't doing it properly.
The nursing home's management company sent 8 on your side this lengthy statement in response to our request for comment. Southern Healthcare Management said, quote, by the time of OSHA's on-site inspection in September, which was the final step in its investigation, all technical violations had long been abated in full. And if you would like to read that entire statement, which management here says gives context to this investigation, just head to WFLA.com. I posted it there in full. Reporting live in Bradenton, Allison Henning, 8 on your side.